how to win a contract, a government contract in 2026, y'all. When it comes to the federal government, meaning Department of Defense, FDA, federal agencies, state level agencies, what's super important is that you are ready to win. So when it comes to ready to win, you must have a cage code. And Sam.Gov, that's right, Detroit, Sam.Gov has been changed. It is being modified. They are revamping the questions as I record this. It is important that you have a business with a physical address. You cannot use a P.O. box, a virtual something, registered agent. It needs to be physical. And then you need to have a cage code to be a prime contractor. So when it comes to this space, it is vital that you are ready. You must be government ready. You must have a cage code. If you say to yourself, well, I just want a middleman, that's all I want to do. Okay, well, that's called subcontracting out the work. Regardless of the terms that you're using, this is how it works, right? This is how it works. The federal government has an opportunity. So let's say it's snow removal, right? Let's say Denver, Colorado. You bid on it, you get the pricing from a snow removal company, you win the bid, and the snow removal company is out there doing the work. You are responsible for that work. So to win a contract in 2026, it doesn't mean you begin 1 January. It means you begin today, because the government is going to review opportunities and then award them. So when it comes to this type of work, it's really, really important to know that you are responsible. It's about trying and leveling up and taking this knowledge you learn, apply, and adjust it. So the way you learn, apply, and adjust this is to identify opportunities you can actually win and bid. And this is where ego comes in. And that's why many people don't win. You have the ego, you have the fear, and you have all of these insecurities. So the ego comes in and someone says, well, but Kizzy, all I want to do is, I don't know, haircuts or mobile labs, or somebody's got a nonprofit, or a lot of that kind of work is being canceled. If you go on Doge's page on X or on their website, you'll see different coachings and trainings. There was even an opportunity for acquisition support, cancel. This is where you have to ask yourself, what are you willing to make money doing? If you just want to do one thing, then government contracting may not be for you. I just want to pull up, because one of the things I hear is like, there aren't a lot of opportunities. What I can say to you is right now, I'm on Sam.Gov, and you go to search because they recently changed their website, okay? And then when you're on search, you're going to click contracting. So what I'm doing right now, I'm hitting notice type, solicitation, 30 days, and I want you guys to guess. How many opportunities are available for total small business set-asides due next month. I did solicitation, combined solicitation. Because to win an opportunity by 2026, you gotta bid now, and you're bidding on things that I deem as entrepreneurial, things that anyone can do, anything that's out there. Things that aren't controversial that you're not gonna have an issue doing. So when it comes to this space, I know you don't have to have experience. You need a physical address, a tax ID, a cage code. You have to have this will and this drive to want to win a contract. You don't have to give up your full-time job if you don't wanna give up your full-time job. So if you wanna win an opportunity by 2026, this is what you do. This is the next step. You get a green sticky note. And you put your goal, how much money do you want to make? You put that on, and then you hang it up, and that's your goal. Because what happens is, oh, well, there's these opportunities. So let's go back to that, right? How many opportunities are there? Because you're probably like, why is that's the crypto computer. Crypto computer, that's how many opportunities there are. 1,683 on the crypto computer, total small business set aside, due next month. So you're telling me you can't win one of these? So you have to ask yourself, you put down your number. Let's just make it easy. You want to bring in $100,000. Okay, that's household income. So there's no reason, heart, like, subscribe, share. There's no reason you can't bring in $100,000 in profit. So you win your first contract, you start now, You win one in 2026 to hit your 100,000. When I first started out in this space, I did a lot of training, a lot of in-person training. And then somebody said, you really should look into staffing. And so I did. I never questioned it. I just was like, okay, and I went after it. Because then what happens is you then get caught up in this like, okay, I gotta know everything. So I need a glossary, I need to know the words. Okay, so Kizzy, I know you just jumped into things, but I'm not like that. I have to have it all perfect. Everything's gotta be, and I have to be ready because it's the government and you're never gonna win because you're too focused on perfection. When you're so focused on perfection, how are you going to be able to identify opportunities and bid on them and win? You're gonna be too busy trying to figure out what every word means. The reason I went through these and I didn't share them on here is it's not about what's on Sam.gov, it's about what you believe and where you're putting your energy. If you're putting your energy toward, I've made this amount of money, I'm winning my first contract in 2026, then that's what's gonna happen. If you get too caught up on, oh my God, I wanna sell blue lipstick and all I'm seeing is nuts and bolts. Well, I already shared, like you gotta focus on what they're really buying. And I know it can be devastating sometimes, like, well, why don't they buy what I'm offering? Well, the same reason people aren't buying Christmas trees in April. It's just not how they buy. So then you have to ask yourself, is this the space for you? You got to write the proposal. So the mistake people are making is, oh, I'm just going to go into AI and AI is going to run my proposal. Yeah, they're going to give you some jacked up pricing. You're not going to be able to get funding. You're going to send me a DM and you're going to have to cancel the contract. I'm just letting you know, because these are the messages I get. You know, we have active contracts. I have paid students. I have people who have won contracts. The other way you win a contract in 2026 is you have to take a leap. Most people, they're not going to do it because they're going to say it's too hard, it takes too much time, and the payoff isn't there. So they're gonna say they want this. They're gonna say they want to make this amount of money. What are you willing to give up? Only you know that. You know, some of these are very technical right now that they're looking for. Some of them are not. Upgrade fire detection system at a prison in Phoenix. Do you see the trends, right? Where is money going towards? Prisons, repair services, aircraft doors. There's a lot of opportunities here. It's just, you just have to step out. And that's amazing. You want to reach your goal. It's you putting the goal out there and you going toward it. This is a nail file, just FYI. You go toward it. That's how you win. There's no reason you can't win. It begins now. You're bidding on things now because they're going to award them anywhere from 30 to maybe 90 days just because of everything going on with holidays and stuff. Hey, that's another thing that comes up. Like, why would I pay for something? Why would I pay for anything? So then you have to ask yourself, then why would somebody buy something from you? It's about what works for you and what works in your budget, just like with the government. If the government has a certain amount of money set aside for that painting, then that's what they're going to spend. If they just, there might be an agency that cancels a solicitation because they realize they don't have the money or they can just do it in-house. So the same works here. I have hundreds of free content on the channel, right? Many people have won with winnerswaybook.com. A new book's coming out. You're gonna be able to pre-order. There's gonna be so many things coming out. I promise you. Y'all are amazing. I love and adore you. Check out my book, winnerswaybook.com, winnerswaybook.com. And thank you for purchasing the book. Definitely will have a new book coming out. Don't forget, everything is possible. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button. We're out. We're out and amazing. Curls are popping.